Hi, it's Jessica Licona coming to you live from the Licona team headquarters, and we get so many questions daily about what does our crystal ball look like? Is Austin going to continue to grow at the rate it's been growing? Is it going to continue to have the trajectory of some of the areas are 10 to 20 to 30% growth year over year? And I want to share with you that from Wayfair to Arrive Logistics, we have over 12,000 new jobs that are being announced for Austin and the surrounding areas. And that's anything from manufacturing to aviation and the technology space. So I do not foresee that Austin is going to slow down anytime soon. What does that mean to you or your friends or family? We get so many folks that tell us that folks live here that are best friends that they grew up with from Colorado or New York or Chicago, etc. So we want to remind you that it looks like as a buyer, you better get on the train tracks to go in towards purchasing a home. And as a seller, if you want to capitalize, of course, we don't know where, in quotes, the bottom will be, but we do know that right now there is nice equity to be pulled out if you decide to relocate, move up, or move down in space. We would love to guide you. Reach out to us, let us know what questions you have, and I have to just say a special shout out, if you will, to all of those friends and past clients that have reached out and said that they listen to our videos and they watch us every week when we send these out from all across the nation, and it's helped them as they're starting to figure out, it's kind of sifting through what they're going to do with their buying and selling, because keep in mind it's not just Austin, this is happening globally. So we look forward to staying in touch, and thanks so much as always.